Today is the day of our long-awaited roof install, the biggest piece to the puzzle on the journey to selling this house. Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures, and if you're new here, I'd love to welcome you to the channel. I hope you enjoy today's video and you return as a family member. Our roof had been damaged by several storms, and it's the original roof that was on the house, so it needed to be redone for the new owners to take possession. It'd be very difficult to get insurance with a 25-year-old roof in disrepair, so we had to have the roof done to sell the house. So here we are. Watch the guys as they work their magic. The truck that delivered the roofing was right on time, and he made quick work of craning the roofing materials up to the roof for the guys to start installing. They installed an ice shield all the way around the house, and that was not present on the other roof. It's very important so your gutters don't freeze over, and that's a problem that we had for the longest time. So this roof is guaranteed for 50 years, and the ice shield is guaranteed for 40 years. This roof will never need to be replaced in my lifetime. There were 5 pieces of plywood that had been water damaged from leaks in the past, so those were removed and new plywood was put down. In the meantime, in between time, I had a dentist appointment that I couldn't chuck. So I ran to the dentist's office, and while I was out, I picked up some coffee and donuts for the guys' coffee break, and they really appreciated that. When I came back, lo and behold, at least 3/4 of the roof was completed, and the guys had just a little bit to finish. They did a phenomenal job. Cleaned up all the debris from around my house, went around with a magnet to make sure that they got all of the roofing nails up, and filled the dumpster. What a fantastic job, and I would recommend these guys if you need roofing services in your area. I'll make sure to have all of their details linked in my description box below. The roof came out absolutely gorgeous, and I am so happy with the outcome. The next portion of the video is being sponsored by OGNaturals Chips. Listen to this.
My friend, tell me your name and tell me a little bit about the product you're selling.
Okay, my name is Orly Garcia. The product that I sell is actually 2 years ago I tried to build a new chips product, more natural stuff. Some of the natural stuff that we have in here is actually a product that doesn't have no chemicals. It's natural stuff. This is gonna be in some of the stores here in Northeast already. We're doing okay with this so far because it's an introduction, but hopefully, this take it off eventually.
And this is your own recipe for these chips?
This is my own stuff. This is not a recipe. This is a product from Mother Earth.
This Very is natural, just
natural
the
stuff. Is the root product.
And then you kettle cook them. And what type of oil do you use?
It's just vegetable and palm oil.
Oh, okay.
There's only 3 ingredients. There is the root for themselves. Besides the plantain, there is a plant. But the root themselves and the palm oil and the salt. That's it. There's nothing else in there.
You can't get more natural than that.
Yep.
I love it. And what do these retail?
The retails is gonna be $250.
Are you gonna have a website where you're gonna be selling?
We're gonna try to do a website. We are working on it right now. This is the first time that we actually introduce some of the stores and the local stores, especially here in Bohesville.
Okay, so right now you're selling word of mouth and local markets here in the Pocono Mountains.
In the Pocono Mountains, yeah.
So tell me about your other product here.
The other product is a line is actually decam shrimp. This is coming from Ecuador. This is actually my friend's company. We actually worked together in this project for the last 2 years to develop something new and accessible for the customers. Very, very quickly for them to make it, to eat and have easy access. When you are working and you come home and
nobody feels like cooking a big meal.
You don't want to cook a meal. You want to make sure that
quick and easy.
Quick and easy.
Love that. Love that. And I know a lot of people are going to love it too. Tell me about the flavors.
The flavors are actually habanero. This is one of the flavors. A lot of people is into the hot stuff.
Yes,
we try to accommodate in that way. And the other one is the Italian herb. A lot of people loves the Italian herb. If you go into any pizza place or go into any Italian restaurant, this is practically one of the flavors that I usually like. And the other one is raw, just regular.
That way you could add your own seasoning to
You can add your own seasoning or you can eat just like that. Some people don't want to add seasoning. They just sprinkle a little bit of salt and you have it already the flavor of the shrimp.
There you go. Thank you for sharing your wonderful new products, and I wish you so much luck in your business. Tell us your name and contact once again.
It's Orly Garcia, and my contact you can share with me all. OGNaturals Chips is OGNaturalChips@gmail.com.
All right, you heard it here first. Get your OGNaturals Chips, honey. And thank you so much.
Today is the finale of the Home Decor Luxe Club's Bling on the Fall collaboration. And I hope you enjoyed the journey with me of getting this house prepared for a sale. Hopefully I'll be bringing you some great news very soon. Links to all of our channels as well as the playlist can be found in my description box below. Now here I am in Brooklyn, just a quick project. I was here delivering some stuff that I want to store here in Brooklyn. Winter coats, snow boots, things like that. And while I was here, I took a look at this flower bed and honey, it was a hot mess. Before I even thought to pick up the camera, I was pulling out the weeds and shrubs that were there and overgrown and horrible looking. I made quick work, putting down some weed barrier, weed killer, and a 2-inch thick layer of gravel. The area looks so much neater and so much better, and it's incredible what a quick and easy project can do for your curb appeal. So I hope I've given you some motivation and information today, and you've enjoyed today's video. If you did, give your girl a big thumbs up. If you're not a member of the Amethyst Adventures family, then honey, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click on that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Now back to Pennsylvania, and I'll see you next time.